Hello, hello. I'm Sebastian Clovis, and welcome back to Home Network's DIY Studio. Today, we're talking about kitchen planning, because a smart kitchen isn't just a beautiful kitchen, it's also a kitchen that makes life easier for you and your family. Here to help us out with some ideas is design expert Mia Paris.
Thanks for having me, Seb.
Absolutely.
Designing modern kitchens has really evolved. Do you remember those lower cabinets that opened? You'd have to bend down.
My back remembers.
Yes. Reach around just trying to find a pot or a pan. Well, now it's all about drawer systems that makes everything so much more accessible.
Long gone are the days where you lose a pot in the back.
Gone. It's all about drawers.
Mia, any other ideas?
Next, it's the Space Step by Blum.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you this drawer that's built into the toe kick and actually doubles as a step.
Okay.
So while you're standing on it and you're elevated to the cabinets above, you're not losing that storage that's built into the drawer below.
That is so cool. That makes a lot of sense.
So I'm gonna take this a step further and show you this.
Okay.
This is the Aventos lift system by Blum. You open the door up and out of the way, and it allows you to have such great access to everything inside of the cabinets. So that means no more bumped heads and no more obstructions. It opens with a touch and closes with just a push of a button.
That's perfect, especially when you're unloading the dishwasher. You can put the dishes straight into the cabinet without the door being in the way.
Exactly, so easy.
That is a fantastic upgrade. So, if you are planning a dream kitchen, then remember, always consider ease of movement, flow. Your future self will thank you. And thank you.
Thank you, Seb.
Absolutely. And thank you for watching. We'll see you here next time on Home Network's DIY Studio. Presented in part by Blum. Make your life easier with Aventos.